Hi, my name's Cassidy. I'm with Complete Business Systems, and I'm here today to show you the basic functions of your EPSON T-Series wide format printer. Let's get started. So there are a few buttons that are really important. Number one, we have our power button at the top left. This one will be how you turn on and off the machine. It'll also wake up the machine. So after a while it goes into a sleep mode, so you'll just press the power button to wake it back up. The next button is this at the top right. You can see it has a pause and a delete. This one is really important, especially when you're learning the machine, because if you start printing something out and it doesn't look good, you press this, it'll stop it, you can cancel the job, it'll cut off the paper, won't use any more ink or any more paper. And then the final button that's really important is at the bottom right. It has a little question mark icon right above it. If you press on that one right there, basically if you forget anything, forget how to replace the paper, how to replace ink cartridges, anything like that, this will walk you through the steps right on your screen. All right, the next button we want to go over is the one immediately below the power button. If we click on that, we see it's the load and remove paper button. So this is very important when you want to load up a new roll of paper or any other type of paper, and also when you want to remove it. All right, the next button, if we click on that, is our feed and cut media button. The only time that I've found this to be very useful is if you ever get anything on the roll paper, you can manually feed it and cut that off. Other than that, your printer will cut your posters for you, so you don't really have to worry about that. All right, this next one, if we click on that, this is our maintenance button. So you can see we have a nozzle check option and a head cleaning option. So your nozzle check, if you think about your regular desktop printer, if you ever do that, it'll print a little colored barcode that shows you if any lines are missing, anything like that. Based on that, we can decide that we want to do a head cleaning, and your machine will just run through the cleaning and make sure that all those heads are completely cleared of any excess ink to make sure that you're ready to print. All right, the next thing we'll want to do is go over the main menu. So if we look here, this is our main screen. It says ready at the top, so that's good. Basically, if anything's printing, it'll tell you the file name right on this main screen. If we use this right arrow right here, once, this is our paper type. So this will tell us what type of paper is loaded. So if you're ever curious about that, we can see on here we have roll paper. It's enhanced matte, it's 36 inches wide, and we have 8 feet left. If we press the right arrow one more time, these are going to show our ink levels. And so you just have your 5 colors right there, and you can see the levels. If we go one more time, these are going to show our maintenance tank levels. And basically when they're this green color, that means that they're empty. And when they start to get this gray color right here, that's going to mean that they're filling with ink. If we go to the right one more time, this shows our IP address. So if you ever want to add it to the network, basically that's where you'll go to find that.